What do you recommend for local restaurant offers? The most popular offers are the happy hour offers. Or you can have an offer, book a table for four, get a bottle of wine, or book a table between a time when they are not very busy. So for, let's say between 5 and 6 p.m. and get a buy one get one free, or a free dessert, or a free starter. You can be as creative as you want with these offers, and there's so many offers which you can do for local restaurants that it's only your imagination can restrict you as to what you can create for your for local restaurants. The way I would run it is through Google Display Network and YouTube, obviously Gmail as well. And the new Performance Max ads are perfect for this, because you set up one campaign and that campaign is going to send you ads on all these platforms and channels with minimal work. Although you will need to create the video and the images and the ads, but that is just a one-time work which you can easily upload and set up and do, and let it run within a 5-mile radius. You don't want the radius to be 50 miles unless you are a specialty or a specialist restaurant where people from far away come to you. But locally, about 5-mile radius, you want to run and build up your brand.